Welcome to dNAxt. We are discussing class B subnetting, and in this video we'll be discussing slash 30. Slash 30 means 30 bits are of the network and only 2 bits are of the host. So out of this 30, 16 bits are the major network bits and we have borrowed 14 bits for the subnetting. So 2 to the power x will become 2 to the power 14, that is 16,384. So these many sub networks we will get when we borrow 14 bits. How many hosts per subnetwork? Only 2 bits we have, so 2 to the power 2 minus 2. So 4, 2 to the power 2 is 4, 4 minus 2 is 2. So actually 4 IP addresses we will get in each subnetwork, but since one is network ID and another is broadcast ID, only 2 valid host IP addresses we will get in each subnetwork. What is the increment? Since we have borrowed the bits from third octet as well as from the fourth octet, there will be an increment in both the octets, increment of 1 in the third octet, because 256 minus subnet bit value, and subnet bit value in the third octet is 255. Okay, and in the second octet the value is 252. How come the value becomes 252? By adding the values of these bits. Value of first bit is 128, then 64 plus 32 plus 16 plus 8 plus 4, that comes out as 254. And when you subtract 252 from 256, you get an increment of 4. So 252 is the value in the fourth subnetwork. So increment of 1 in the third octet and 4 in the fourth octet. And as we have discussed in the previous videos, that increment, first we will do increment in the fourth octet followed by the third octet. So let's start. First IP address is 172.16.0.0. This is our first subnetwork. Then 172.16.0.4. Then 172.16.0.8, 0.12 will go on increasing by the number of 4 in the fourth octet till we reach 172.16.0.252. Okay, when the value is 252, when we add 4 in it, it becomes 256. So 256 is not possible. So the next will be 172.16.1.0 will be the next subnet. And 1.4, 1.8, 1.12, 1.16, 1.20, 1.24, 1.24, उसके बाद 1.28, 1.32. This will go on till 1.252. Then it will become 2.0, 2.4. So the last subnet will be 172.16.255.252. Okay, this will be the last subnetwork. Broadcast ID of this subnetwork is 172.16.255.255. Broadcast ID of this is 172.16.1.3, 1.7, 1.15, sorry, 0.15. Over here it will be 172.16.0.15, 0.19. Okay, यहाँ पे 0.255. Very simple. First valid host in this case 172.16.0.1. Last valid host 0.2. Why? We are getting only 2 IP addresses over here. इसका ब्रॉडकास्ट आईडी है 172.16.0.3, previous IP address of this 0.3. So what are the valid hosts that we will get over here? 0.1 and 0.2. 172.16.0.1, 172.16.0.2. So only two IP addresses we are getting in each subnetwork. यहाँ पे 0.5 and 0.6 because 0.7 is the broadcast ID over here. Here you will get 172.16.0.9 and 0.10 because 0.11 is the broadcast ID. 0.12 से तो next subnet start हो रहा है. Are you getting this? So you are getting only, though you are getting 16,000, above 16,000 subnetworks over here, you are getting only two valid host IP addresses in each subnet. Okay, this is all about class B subnetting. In the next video, we'll discuss class A subnetting. So stay tuned with dNAxt. Thank you.